Yoo-hoo, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the VersLife Z8 40 kPa 500 watt cordless stick vacuum cleaner, because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is the lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture, has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go, and then comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors and just wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who constantly make messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are just, heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up that heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. It's awesome. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with a motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing this button retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from, dusty surfaces and furniture. And finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press releases the dustbin to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to wash out and rinse. It also provides access to the filters. Then to access and actually clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin and then you yank on this little pull tab to remove the filter. You'll take it apart, run it under water, rinse it off, air dry it for 24 hours, and then simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and you're good to go. And then if you press this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode. A couple of fun features is that eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session.
Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go.
And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to super turbo mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then you'll just press this button here. It'll swing the door open, and just by giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary a grab or two, just empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply close the lid until it locks into place and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here. And then if you do, it'll illuminate the LCD screen indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for this self-standing mode. You just prop it up and then it stands up by itself. That one feature alone makes this worth it. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.